Do you have a Zoho CRM account? Do you add your leads as contacts into Zoho CRM? You want that all the contacts should be automatically added in your Google Sheets as soon as there is a new contact created. Is this possible? Can we do this automatically? Let me show you how. I will create a new contact in my Zoho CRM account in front of you, and then I'll show you how automatically the details of that contact is added in my Google Sheets. So first of all, let me fill in the details. You can see the name is Best Person, lead sources online store, email is bestperson@pabblytunes.com with the phone number and all the other details. Address is 125 Old City, Indore, Madhya Pradesh, code and the country India. Description as new online store lead. Okay. So as now I've added the details, I will save this contact from here. As soon as this contact is added in my Zoho CRM account, if I'm going to open my Google Sheets and refresh this page, as I've refreshed the page, you can see the data is added successfully of bestperson@pabblytunes.com, this phone number and the city, and the address as 125 Old City, Indore, Madhya Pradesh, code and the country as India. So as now the record is added successfully, this is how the setup is going to work. Now without wasting any time, within few minutes, I will teach you how the setup can be created for yourself without need of any coding and programming skills using the software Pabbly Connect as well. Open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect. You will come to the landing page just like this. Now if you're a new user, you do not have an account with us, sign up for free from here. You will receive 100 free tasks. Using the task, you can create the setup right away without paying any cost and test out the features of Pabbly Connect, other features as well. If you're planning to purchase our yearly or lifetime plans, which you should do because we provide you unlimited tasks and many benefits if you purchase any of our plans. If you're planning to buy those deals, you can use the code that you can see on the left side of my screen. The same code is in the description section to get instant and amazing discounts on the purchase. Okay, so now to create this amazing setup, I've already logged into my Pabbly Connect account and I'm on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now to create a new automation, click on this create workflow button and the select option that is create quick builder. Now we are going to give this AI the prompt, and using the prompt, AI is going to analyze a request and generate the workflow. I want to add Zoho CRM contacts to Google Sheets, so I will send this prompt towards this AI. Now we need to select certain events and then this workflow will be created in my Zoho CRM. As soon as a new model is going to be created, automatically in my Google Sheets, the row should be added. This is what I want. I will open this workflow from here. The template in front of you is going to be presented. Now simply build the connections and your entire work is done. For the Zoho CRM step, log in right here, go towards this connected option and go towards this add new connection section. Click on this connect with Zoho CRM button. To provide the domain, log into your Zoho CRM account in this URL. This is the domain that is right here. Paste it down. These can be the domain examples. Click on the save button. Now it is asking for the permission of the account, for which I'm going to click on this accept button as this is safe process and my data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect. I want to create the record of the new contacts added in my Zoho CRM account inside my Google Sheets. So for the module, I will select the option of contacts from here and then you need to click on the save and send test request button. Before that, whatever contact that was created last in your account will be captured in this trigger response right here. So before that, I will create a new contact and then we'll see that contact has been captured in this trigger response or not. Okay, so I'm going to add in the new details of the new contact right here. I've added in the details: dummy account, online store is the lead source, dummy@pabblytunes.com, this is the phone number, street is AB1, new area, city Bhopal, state Madhya Pradesh, this is the zip code, country India, and this is the description. I will save this contact from here as soon as a new contact is added in my Zoho CRM account. And if I'm going to click on the save and send test request button, you will see the same contact has been captured in this trigger response, that is dummy@pabblytunes.com. If I'll further scroll down, status Madhya Pradesh, let me scroll down even more. This is the contact ID. Further scroll down, you will see the other details: new online store, the pin code is right here, AB1 new area, dummy account was the name, other details are also mentioned like the phone number, city, everything is mentioned over here in the response. So as now the contacts details has been captured in the trigger, Zoho CRM is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now whenever a new contact will be added in your Zoho CRM account, the trigger is going to capture the response of that, but instantly you will not receive the response because Zoho CRM is a polling based application. Now you can see over here near the clock it says This trigger will check for the new data in 10 minutes. Our trigger is going to check for the new data in our Zoho CRM account in every 10 minutes duration. You can change this trigger time according to your requirement. Right click, go to set trigger time option, select the trigger time from your drop down accordingly, and then the trigger time will set up according to your requirement. Now we have connected Zoho CRM to Pabbly Connect, let's add the contacts details in our Google Sheets. For that, simply let's set up this step. Click on this connect button and go towards this add new connection option and click on the sign in with Google button. Select the spreadsheet with the help of which you have created your Google Sheets, and then it is asking for the permission for the account, for which I'm going to click on this allow button. Now for the spreadsheet, I've created one in the name of leads data and the sheet in the name of sheet 1. So I will select those details from here. After selecting the details, you will find that headers of this spreadsheet is going to appear as the fields name, full name, email, phone number, and the address. For the data of these fields, we are going to map the data. Mapping is inserting data from the previous step. Where you need to map the data, add slash and search for the name. Now this is the name of the contact that I want to keep as a record in my Google Sheets. So I will select the data of the name from my previous response, which makes this data mapped and dynamic. That means now whenever a new response will be captured in our previous step, automatically the new data will be updated in place of this mapped data. In the similar manner, I will map the data of the email address, phone number, and the entire address of this person right over here in the field. So let me do that. So as I've entered all the details, now I'm going to click on the save and send test request button. You will also receive a response just like this in Google Sheets when you will check the record is created of the same contact details. So as now the details is automatically added in Google Sheets, this is how you create the connection between Zoho CRM and Google Sheets. Now whenever a new contact is going to be created in your CRM application, you will see the record of the same contact details will be synced inside your Google Sheets. As a backup, you will have all the details in one place in a systematic manner. So now if you have questions or doubts related to this setup, do comment down below. I will reply to all the queries. With that, if you want the free template of this workflow, check out the workflow link in the description section. If you want to purchase our yearly or lifetime plans, use the code that's on the left side of my screen to get amazing discounts. The same code is in the description section. So this was it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this connection, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you want to know about the different plans that Pabbly Connect provides you, you can check out the link given over here. And if you have any queries related to it, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and thank you so much for watching.